welcome to Zhangqiu Machinery. Let me introduce the repair machine to you. First, look at this. This is input hopper. This is output hopper. The hole is a palletized room. From this is a roller shell. Roller shell's lifetime is 500 hours, and the root its lifetime is 100 hours. The rod and the window are all from Harbin brand. It's famous in China, and the material is stainless. The cover, dusty cover, is stainless too. It's electric motor of the cutting and pushing system. This electric motor is Xiuhui brand. This brand is very famous in China too. Okay, look like this. This oil pump. Connect the pump is oil cooling fan. If you have any question, please contact us. Okay, bye.